Every dawn is a new beginning, a fresh opportunity to redefine who we are and where we're going. At Oloro Business Services, we believe in the power of dreams, the strength of ambition, and the resilience of the human spirit. We understand that life can sometimes take unexpected turns. A credit setback is not a life sentence. It's just a temporary obstacle. This is why we are committed to helping you restore your credit, regain your financial freedom, and reclaim your dreams.
Oloro Business Services changed my life. They didn't just restore my credit, they restored my hope.
With Oloro, I was able to get the business credit I needed to expand my small business. Now my children will have a legacy.
Our team of experts work diligently to challenge inaccuracies in your credit report and help you understand your credit score. We're not just about restoring credit. We're about empowering you to reach your goals and create generational wealth. Take control of your financial future today. Call us at 972-483-5853 or visit www.olorobiz.com. Oloro Business Services, because your dreams are worth fighting for.